Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy. Today we are gathered here to delve into an essential aspect of organizational resilience, business continuity plan (BCP), development and implementation. Let's start by understanding what a business continuity plan is and why it's crucial for organizations. A BCP is essentially a proactive strategy that outlines procedures and protocols to ensure the continuity of essential business functions during and after disruptions. Now, why is BCP so important? Imagine a scenario where a natural disaster strikes or a cyber attack disrupts your operations. Without a BCP in place, your organization could face severe downtime, financial losses, and damage to its reputation. A well-developed and implemented BCP is not just about surviving crisis, it's about thriving in the face of adversity. Key components of BCP. Let's break down the key components of BCP. Risk assessment and business impact analysis, BIA. This involves identifying potential threats and assessing their impact on business operations. Business continuity strategies. These are strategies developed to mitigate risks, maintain essential functions, and recover operations swiftly. Emergency response procedures. Protocols for responding to emergencies promptly and effectively. Communication plan. Establishing channels and protocols for timely dissemination of information to stakeholders. Recovery and resumptions plans. Outlining procedures for restoring operations and returning to normalcy after disruptions. Training and awareness. Providing training to employees and raising awareness about their roles and responsibilities during emergencies. Development process. Now, let's look at the process of developing a BCP. Planning. Defining the scope, objectives, and resources required for BCP development. Analysis. Conduct a risk assessment and business impact analysis to identify critical functions and recovery priorities. Strategy development. Develop strategies and action plans to mitigate risks and ensure continuity of operations. Plan documentation. Document the BCP including procedures, protocols, and contact information. Testing and exercises. Conduct regular testing and exercises to validate the effectiveness of the BCP. Maintenance and review. Continuously update and review the BCP to reflect changes in the business environment and emerging threats. Once the BCP is developed, it's crucial to ensure effective implementation. Training and awareness. Provide training to employees on BCP procedures and raise awareness about their roles and responsibilities. Communication. Establish communication channels and protocols for activating the BCP and disseminating information during emergencies. Resource allocation. Allocate necessary resources and support to implement the BCP effectively. Monitoring and review. Monitor BCP implementation and conduct regular reviews to identify issues and make improvements. In conclusion, developing and implementing a business continuity plan is critical for organizations to enhance their resilience and ensure continuity of operations during disruptions. By following a systematic approach and involving key stakeholders, organizations can develop a robust BCP that prepares them to face any challenge. Thank you for your attention. Remember, preparedness is key to resilience. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.